Lesson 3 From Factory to You. Daniel wanted a new baseball bat for his birthday. His grandfather took him to the Louisville Slugger Museum and Bat Factory in Louisville, Kentucky. Together, they learned how wooden bats are made. A bat's beginning. The making of a bat begins in a forest of trees. Trees are raw materials or natural resources used to make a product. First, the trees are cut into many long sections. Next, the wood is dried. Then, the wood is shipped to the places where the bats are made. Reading check. What raw material is used to make a baseball bat? At the factory. Baseball bats are goods that are made in factories. A factory is a building in which people use machines to make goods. Many people work at the factory doing different jobs to make the bats. The work these people do is called human resources. So here they cut and shape the bat. And then here is what is called branding, where they kind of stamp the Louisville Slugger design into the bat so you know who made the bat. All of the tools used to produce a good are called capital resources. At the factory, the wood is first placed in a machine that cuts it into a bat shape. After the bats are cut, they are branded. A worker burns the name of the company onto the bat. Then the bats are sanded and stained a certain color. Last, the bats are packaged. They are ready to be sold. Reading check. How is the wood changed when it is made into a bat at the factory? So here they sand the bat to make it smooth, and then they put it into Louisville Slugger boxes. To the market. The bats are finally ready for markets where people will buy them. The bats are moved to markets in many ways. Trucks or trains may deliver the bats to places around the United States. Airplanes may be used to take the bats to places around the world. At the sporting goods store, Daniel and his grandfather find the bat they want to buy. The money they pay for the bat will be used to make more bats. Reading check. How are goods such as bats taken to markets? Summary. Human and capital resources are used to change raw materials into products to be sold.